If you're familiar with that, that's the background, that's the chair, that's the table, that's the floor. Yes! Before I started YouTube, I actually was so into watching other tutorials as well. I see room tours and all, and so I thought buying this little fancy pretty looking trash can right here from Bed Bath & Beyond would be a really cute addition to my dream makeup studio or makeup room. And now I know what happens behind the camera. I regret buying that thing right there because it's useless. I just created a haul recently, and this is me preparing my studio for the next video that I'm about to make. So let us clean my mess. Together. So what I usually do is get one of the biggest boxes. Yeah, the biggest box has still some stuff, so this is so sad. So what I do is I take a huge plastic or a huge box from whatever I have right now around me, and that's where I put all the trash, since again my trash can is useless. My husband recycles stuff, so I'm gonna separate the plastic ones to the paper ones so that he can recycle. So these right here are gonna be the plastic ones. Plastic right there, that's styrofoam, plastic right there, plastic. Okay, we're gonna put this stuff that we don't know if it's recyclable in this plastic. This is plastic, plastic, obviously, plastic, another box. Tissue, plastic. Oh, and by the way, you guys, I got my 10-year. I just recently got my permanent resident card, which is the 10-year green card, and I'm officially a permanent resident of the United States of America. What my plan and my husband's plan is actually to apply for a dual citizenship for me and for Olivia. So Olivia can be, of course, a Filipino citizen because she is half a Filipino and half American. So my husband wants that for the both of us. Okay, so these stuff, just did a haul with these. So we're gonna take all of the boxes out, separate them. I told you I would have boxes and boxes stacked up in this room for no reason. Let's go through this one as well. Oh my gosh, come out. There. My husband loves recycling because I love watching documentaries about the world and everything. And a big part of my love, it goes to the nature. And he loves plants. Like, he is insanely in love with plants. And so we kind of decided to, you know, start recycling and start doing our own little contribution to this big world. It has to start somewhere, and it's got to start at your home if you want to live a life where you know you have contributed a good for the whole. That's something that's really fulfilling, and that's something that you really need to think about. And I encourage you guys to start doing something for the world at your house, because it's got to start somewhere, and we all have to do little things to create a big thing, you know what I mean? So I'm just saying, my husband goes through all of these as well. He makes sure that the stuff that I put in each bin is right. This one is definitely plastic. Okay, so I got lots of lashes, so I am not gonna tinker with this yet because I need to do that separately, because this will take a long time. Okay, so yeah, this is happening. So this is plastic. This is gonna go to the plastic bag. This is a brush cleaner, which I'm gonna try. Okay, so this is my mic. I'm gonna put all my new makeups right here. Plastic box. New makeups, new one. That looks really pretty. This is from Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in the shade Champagne. And this is a blush from Milani. And that's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, I like this. It's turning into a makeup junk haul. Filling up real quick. Just put this down. I'm tired already. So I put my beauty blenders right here. This is new makeup again. This is Born This Way concealer. I will make a review about this soon. And this one as well. The CC cream right here is really expensive. Okay, so we're gonna put all the lipsticks right here. Okay, so we're gonna put all the mascaras in here. So this right here is going to be, I guess, eye pencils. At least that's a little organized. Foundations, foundation. Okay, it's cleaning up. It's cleaning up. We're getting somewhere. So I'm just gonna take all of these trashes, recycles, outside. If you guys are wondering what is this place for, obviously this is for Olivia. I do not use that anymore because I basically do not take her in here anymore. Right now, we're gonna deal with all of this. Some of these are unopened packages 2 months ago. These are trash. And this is trash as well. This is actually the Mirror Curl professional curl machine. It's actually really expensive. It's $140. I think this will work better for longer hair, but since I have really short hair, I cannot enjoy this as much as I think I would if I would have a little bit longer hair. But we're gonna start off with this. This is a brush case that I got from BH Cosmetics a long time ago. I think this is the quartz edition. As you all know, I always rave about BH Cosmetics, how cheap but good of a quality they are as a brand. They're really good, so I recommend them a lot. Olivia's awake now, so I'm gonna see you guys later. Hi, I'm back after 6 hours. If the audio is really bad, I am so sorry. I have unopened packages in here. This is one of the unopened packages. We're gonna see what's inside this package. There's the receipt. January, February, March, April. April. The first week of April. That is the day I made the order. Oh my gosh. It's been 3 months. Oh, it's a belt. This belt is really cute. As you can see, it's got some Coachella theme going on. The next thing in this packet is, oh, it's a lipstick. Oh, I got a lipstick from Princess. When did I don't remember ordering any. This may be a free thing. It's not even the receipt. Everything that I ordered was kind of like accessories. Ooh, I got a free lipstick from Maybelline. I got a free thing. I got a free thing. This is in the shade Poet. Ooh, she's creamy. It smells so nice. Poet really looks so cute. Look at that. It's peach nude. Next thing in this little pocket is, ooh. Oh, yeah, I remember this. A head accessory. This is something you put in here. Look at that. I look like an Egyptian. This one actually costs $11.97 and the belt only cost $9.97. Of course, I'm wearing it the wrong way. This one's supposed to be here, right? Okay, so the last thing in the packet is hand jewelry. I only got these things for photo purposes because you want those photos to look bomb and cute, especially if you want to emphasize makeup. Okay, how on earth am I gonna wear this? I guess you put your hands like that. Do you? No, too much. I'm gonna have to go online and look. So that's it for the packet. I really love the lipstick. I think the lipstick was the highlight of that package, and this headpiece right here, I feel so important. Next package is this little guy right here. So definitely, if I don't like anything that is in here, I definitely cannot return it anymore because apparently it's been 3 months and there's no way I can return something after 3 months. So the first thing in this package is this little guy right here. Let me tell you a little story. Why on earth am I buying a bag? Even though I look ridiculous on it. My friend April, you've seen her on my channel, and she encourages me to buy purses because she said, why do you not buy purses? Purses are so cute. You should buy more dresses. And it's like, yes, I bought a bag because of her. Is that right to do? I don't know. Ooh, but this is a little showy. This is actually really cute. I'm gonna flash it on the screen how this top is supposed to look like. I cannot return it anyway, so I'm gonna take off the tags. Next one is this denim skirt right here. Why did I got this? Because of April. Seems very stretchy. This one is in the size extra small, and I really do think ginagawa rin ba yun ng nanay niyo sa inyo? Si nanay kasi lang ginagawa niya sa akin pag nasa SM kami. Sukat mo to, pantalon, pantalon. Kasha, kasha, kasha. Next one is this little guy right here. Ooh, this is a dress. Oh, this is a jumper. It's a long romper. I don't know. It's kind of like a onesie. And it's so sexy, and I love the color. I think you would rock this at night with black heels and some smoky eyes. That's it for that package. Some of the products right here are the ones I've shown you already on my other videos. They're not really messy, so leave it there. Anyway, you guys, I look horrible right now, but let's just ignore that fact. I'm done. Oh my gosh, I cleaned everything. Look at that. Ah, it's so organized. So we're back. I'm sorry, my battery died a while ago, so here we are again. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like after what we've done for this day. As you can see, no more mess. Everything's much more organized now. No more trashes at the floor. Olivia's there. Everything is clean, as you can see. No more unopened packages. And I just want to quickly show you guys this little basket right here. This is where I transfer the makeups that I need to use from my makeup room to my makeup studio. So this is where I always put the makeups that I'm done using that needs to be put back to where it belongs, to my makeup room. For the most part, it is like that. I always use this for that purpose, but there would be times where I just would get stuck to a routine where I will just pile up makeup on this basket and I will not even remember to put them back where they belong, or use it for that purpose anymore. And that's what happens when I do it, is everything just gets trashed. And everything is just messy and everything is just chaotic. That would be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, how I'm showing you guys what happens behind the camera, that not everything is as fabulous as we portray it on video. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're already here, you made this far, might as well subscribe. If you're new to the family, welcome to the club. I'm Leanne Jarrell, and I make vlogs and beauty videos on my channel 3 times a week. I try. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And me and Olivia will see you in our next video. Bye!